This is a magnetic tool holding strip. There's a 7-piece kit here. This thing is very heavy, by the way. I'm going to be happy to get this out because this thing is suspiciously heavy for what it looks like. So you're getting these strips right here. Now these strips are magnetic. You can see my, I don't want to have the knife blade out, but you can see my multi-tool that I use a lot is literally held onto there. So that's one. Now this is two. So they have a logo. If they didn't have a logo, man, I would say use these in a kitchen because that's so cool looking. So it's going to come out with, oh, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tool strips. But the other thing it's going to come with is this screw magnet. So what's neat about that is when I have extra screws, I can just literally throw them on the screw magnet just like that while I'm working, and I won't lose them. It also has this really kind of ingenious clip, so you can clip it onto a bag. Maybe you got a satchel or something. You're working hands-free. So they look like they've got their own drywall anchors, but I don't think you're going to need them because these things are not that heavy. Now, I didn't draw a straight line here. It looks like 2. These things literally have 2 screws each. So luckily this is just a thin piece of 1/2-inch drywall. I'm going to do a real light screwing in of this. So a couple ways you could do that. You can mount them this way. You can mount them this way. So again, not a bad system. The little ones, this is what I was worried about and what I wanted to test. So not bad, not bad. So that's one good way to kind of throw these together. You know, buy a kit of these of 6. Use 2 in one place in your workshop. Use a couple in the garage. Give a couple away to the friends. And then you've got that screw mount kit, which is pretty cool too.